Look, I wanted to reach out, man, first and say this your boy, Majah Vernon, aka Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Uh, just wanted to take the time and say, man, thank you to the 180 people who actually follow my content, man, who actually seek the information, who actually subscribe to the channel. I just want to say thank y'all. You know, definitely don't take it lightly, whoever you are that's out there. Um, but also to let you know that we are going in big places, man. I continue to provide content. I'll continue to educate myself, and I continue to provide that education. So this channel is strictly for you. I thank you. Uh, and if you know anybody that's struggling in any of the fields that we talk about, share this channel with them, man. I definitely like the subscriptions, the likes. Let's get those comments up, man. And if you have any type of suggestions, I'm all ears for it. One thing about being a leader is we also know when to listen. A good leader always knows when to listen. So my ears stay glued to what y'all want, as well as the things that I think is relevant. It's a lot of things going on, man. There's a lot of situations that a lot of people might be faced with, but I truly look to provide value to you guys, and hopefully you enjoy it. I get, super excited sometimes. I get crazy with it. I just give you real life things that's going on and things that I do. So, like I said, man, this is just a thank you video. Let's help me get to that 200 mark, and sky's the limit from there. Like, I'm not stopping, and I just look to continue to provide value to y'all. I'm a job running JK, Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur, giving you the news, the blues, and the clues to get your money right. And one thing I like to say is it's no longer about the why, it's about what's the reason. What's the reason we do what we do? Trying to change that paradigm, man, trying to change that mindset, trying to ultimately take our families to the next level in life, a life that we can be proud of, a life that gives us all that we were created, all that we was put on this earth to achieve. Let's go kill it and be great. It's your boy, man. See y'all. Peace. Thank you.